Good evening, everyone. Welcome to COVID-19 Facts First for this Monday, April 27th. The New York State Democratic presidential primary has been canceled due to COVID-19 concerns. This comes after a vote from the New York State Board of Elections. New York will still hold its congressional and state level and local primaries on June 23rd. The board has also called upon the state to use federal funding in order to help prepare New York well in advance for the general election happening in November. For the first time today, Governor Cuomo said a case could be made for reopening parts of New York State soon. But this comes with a heap of yes buts and a pile of only ifs. First, he emphasized that New York on pause will not expire until May 15th.
I will extend them in many parts of the state, but in some parts of the state, some regions, you could make the case that we should unpause on May 15th. But you have to be smart about it.
Today, the country has more than 50,000 deaths from COVID-19, and that number keeps rising. In New York, there are still more than 1,000 cases diagnosed every day. 2 more people in Monroe County have died of COVID-19 in the last 24 hours. That brings the total number of deaths in the county to 108. Another 19 people were diagnosed for a total of just under 1,300 confirmed cases. According to the Department of Health, there are 100 COVID patients in the hospital right now. 21 of them are in the ICU on ventilators. Also in our area, Steuben County is now up to over 200 cases. Ontario County is nearing 100. Wayne County 68, Livingston 63. With restaurants closed except for takeout or delivery, farmers across upstate New York are struggling with a surplus of food. Some are even resorting to throwing away vegetables and milk as they expire. Today, Governor Cuomo announced a new initiative to help. Its goal is to take that surplus food and get a lot of it from upstate to folks who need it downstate.
This is just total waste to me. We have people downstate who need food. We have farmers upstate who can't sell their product. We have to put those two things together.
The governor also announced today that $25 million in emergency funding will be given to food banks across the state. The Rochester International Jazz Fest is back on, but not for the summer. The festival has been rescheduled for the first week of October, so they're talking about October 2nd through the 10th. Festival organizers say this all depends on whether the public is able to safely gather at that time. Masks and hand sanitizer will be provided for those who attend. Several headliners were not able to reschedule for the fall. If you have tickets for these shows, you'll be able to get a refund or get credit towards a future performance. As always, keep it right here on RochesterFirst.com for all of the latest COVID-19 information, and you can follow us on Facebook and Twitter for news as it happens. Thank you for watching, and have a safe evening.